morning students. Today we see or today we learn DNA replications. Which are the process, which are the following factors which are occurred during the DNA replication. So first of all, what do you mean by DNA replications? Replication means to produce, making of DNA from DNA, making of DNA from DNA. सेम उसको कॉपी करना, DNA से DNA को बनाने का. So as you know, when there is reproduction, when there is a division of cells, the DNA also get replicated equally. The DNA also get equally replicated. So it contains some factors or some aspects that we discuss today. It is first country it is having semi-conservatives and always will happen in S phase. The DNA replication always happens in your S phase. So there is a functions, they have heterocatalytic functions. Second, your autocatalytic. Heterocatalytic means the DNA synthesis other than itself. It is known as heterocatalytic function. And your autocatalytic, the DNA synthesis itself. खुद के अंदर ही वो synthesis होता है. So this is your autocatalytic functions. Now the process involved in DNA replications, there is your activation of nucleotides. First of all, the activation of your nucleotides. There is a 4 types of nucleotide. There is your DAMP, DGMP, DCMP and DTMP. These are your 4 nucleotides. They are activation. The nucleus get activation. अगर न्यू DNA अगर बनाने का है तो उसमें न्यूक्लियस तो लगेगा ना. न्यू जन्म जो अभी बर्थ है वो तो उसमें लगेगा. So activation of nucleotides. There is activation of nucleus, activation of cell and inside the DNA. Second is your point of origin. Point of origin means where it is started. The replication process where it is started. It started in your this replication force. Activations where the origin, when the process first of all your nucleus is activated, then your origin. So it is origin your O. The point of starting is this is your O, and the point of end of the replication it is your T. It is given in page number 75. You can got the idea. Now your unwinding of DNA molecules. Unwinding means the DNA gets separated. The DNA gets separated. This is like that. This is like a Y-like structure. This is like a Y-like structure. Like a zip of your pant. जब चेन लगाते ना बैग की या फिर पैंट की चेन लगाते उसके जैसा ही वो फंक्शन हुआ है, उसके जैसे वो सेम लगता है. अनवाइंडिंग सेम आ रहा है लेकिन यहाँ से डिफरेंट हो रहा है. तो क्या हो रहा है? अनवाइंडिंग अलग अलग हो रहे हैं. ये एक DNA है, सिंगल DNA and these are get multiplied equally. So this is your unwinding of DNA molecule. Now fourth your replication 4. Replication 4 means at the point where is separation started. The DNA separation started. This point your replication fork. यहाँ पे अलग अलग हो रहा है. जो DNA है, जो नया DNA जो बन रहा है वो अलग हो रहा है. यही से प्रोसेस शुरू होगी. यहाँ का DNA अलग होगा, यहाँ का DNA अलग होगा. Then your synthesis of new strand. Synthesis of your new strands. Now see, here your DNA get differentiated. So this is your another DNA, this is your another DNA. अब ये तो आधा हो गया. So this will make up of new DNA. These both two are make up of their own DNA. So we call as a synthesis of new DNA. So it will require RNA primer to make this. It will require your RNA primer. With the help of RNA primer, the synthesis of new DNA is formed. There, it consists of 2 types, your A and T. The point A is your starting point, T is your end point. When the DNA making start, it's your A. When the DNA complete to be, when it's completed, it's your T point. Now the leading and the lagging strand. What is contained? The leading and your lagging strand. So leading means the template starts with 3. So it is your process of the 3 primer. And when it comes to the end, it is 5 primer. So when it is starting of 3 primer, it is your leading template, and when the process is complete for 5 primer, it's your lagging template. So leading and lagging strand. So the leading strand is 3, the lagging strand is 5. Both the 3 to 5 primer, the whole DNA process is going to be on. There is a diagram given in your book. So the next of Okazaki fragment. When you come to the formation of here, so here the primary Okazaki fragment to differentiate and to get combine again wire-like structure. So it is responsible. The Okazaki fragments are there. Okay. So the DNA synthesis of lagging tablets takes place in the form of small fragment. It's called Okazaki fragment. Small fragment में उसका formation होता है. Then the formation of new daughter DNA molecule. Formation of new daughter DNA molecule. So see, here the DNA comes here. So here is replication form. When it gets separated, so here is the formation of two synthesis. So when the daughter cells are separated, they get mature totally. और here is the formation of DNA molecule daughter cell. तो here is formation of daughter cell. Formation of new cells. अब DNA से DNA बनना है, प्रोसेस अपना कंप्लीट हो गया. This is your DNA and this is the final DNA. This is the formation of new. So this is another DNA and this is your another DNA. So here the processes get differentiated and your two new DNA cells are formed. The replication process is formed. So today we close here. In next session we see the Wilson experiment, how it's proved that. Thank you so much.